Well, good morning, friends. Let's talk about the trade setup today. Now, how the market is looking. Now, firstly, what is important today is global cues actually are looking good. From the morning lows about an hour back, actually, now we're talking about the Asian markets trading into green. That's a good sign. Now, if you recall again how it was looking for us, last hour we added long positions. So we closed with good positive bias in Nifty and Bank Nifty both yesterday. And the Asian markets are trading positive. Dow futures trading 50-point plus. Then again it's looking good for us, and we could be attempting all-time high on Nifty. Now from there, what actually is looking in terms of other cues? Currency largely neutral, so currency traders should not expect any major move. Bond traders should actually expect largely sideways trade. Metals again, if you're a commodity trader or actually if you're trading into metal stocks, then there was a dip yesterday. We're trading higher today, so largely sideways again. No major trigger coming from there. Oil prices, they continue to move higher. There is a US oil inventory data which is scheduled today. So I would expect again negative bias for oil marketing companies because oil prices are moving higher. Now we can talk about it. Perhaps yes, there could be a sort of a reaction to crude oil prices today evening. So there is no point in carrying any positions there. So but for now, today OMCs again could be having a sort of negative trade because of that. When you talk about the sort of FNO data, that tells you at present that long puts have been added and there is call writing which is happening at the higher end, and I'm extremely uncomfortable with a 60 to 80 point premium on Nifty futures and 200 point plus premium on the Bank Nifty futures. Now how can you trade again basically if the future premiums are so high? It becomes really hard. What we should expect, is the market really expecting something big? So that's the question mark. So this implies on a risk sort of basis, the exposure should be slightly lower. Bias should remain positive on the Bank Nifty and Nifty both. But exposures, just be mindful of the fact markets actually are at present showing a very high premium. So it's looking positive. That's the word at present. Quick word on stocks. Long bullish positions in Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, Yes Bank, State Bank of India, TCS. All these stocks actually are have added bullish positions, long positions yesterday. So again, watch out for these stocks and have a good trading day.